Hey, Kyla from Zoom.ai here. Today, I'll be sharing how to add Mailchimp to your Zoom.ai account. Mailchimp and Zoom.ai integration make it super easy to schedule meetings with your Mailchimp contacts automatically. As a result, you'll have a much more seamless scheduling process when organizing meetings with clients or leads. Let's get started. Once you log into your Zoom.ai account, you'll be taken to the dashboard. The first thing you'll do is head to Integrations, found on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Click My Integrations. This is where all integrations you add to Zoom.ai can be found. Click Add in the right-hand corner to add more. Once you're in the integrations directory, you'll be able to connect more than 60 platforms to Zoom.ai. To find Mailchimp quickly, use the search bar. Once you see Mailchimp, click Add. Then click Add again to give Zoom.ai permission to access your contacts, search, and CRM. You'll then be asked to log in to your Mailchimp account for authorization purposes. Click Login and the account you'd like to connect to Zoom.ai. Review the authorization page, click Allow. And that's it. Your Mailchimp contacts will sync with your Zoom.ai account immediately. Once connected, you'll be able to use the Zoom.ai scheduler to automatically schedule meetings with your contacts. For more resources to help you make the most of Zoom.ai, check out the links in the description. Thanks for watching.